right, guys, it is day 7. It is the last day of our story. Make sure you are helping me read. Remember, we're going to review. So let's look back at some words. Look at that first word. Give me a thumbs up when it's in your brain. Ready? What is it? Around. What's that word? Around. Ready? Look at number 2, the second word. Read it. Thumbs up. Tap the sounds if you need to. Ready? Mud. Look at number 3. Read it. Thumbs up. What is it? Water. Good. Ready? Next one. Thumbs up when you've got it in your brain. What is it? Best. Good. It's got a blend at the end. All right. We've got another sight word. Thumbs up when you've got it in your brain. What is it? Food. Good. That was one of our words last week. All right. Next one. Thumbs up. What is it? Who. Good. The one O says ooh. Next one's got our sneaky E. Think about it. What is it? June. Good. Like our month or someone's name. Next word, thumbs up. What is it? These. Good. That sneaky E makes the E say its name. All right, next one. What is it? Saw. It's one of our sight words. Saw. Next word, thumbs up. What is it? Grow. What's the word? Grow. All right, the next one's got a sneaky E. Think about it. Thumbs up when you got it. What is it? Hide. Good. Hide. Next word, thumbs up when you've got it. What is it? Her. Good. Her. All right. Next one, sneaky. Thumbs up when you got it. What is it? Road. Road. This is not like the road you drive on. It's like I rode in a car. All right, next one's got our ED. I'm going to cover it up on my screen so that I can read it and then add my ending. What's that word? Called. Called. Good. Next one. Thumbs up when you got it. What is it? Into. 2 of our baby sight words. Into. Good. Ready? Next one's got a sneaky thumbs up. What is it? Dave. Good. Dave. It's capitalized because it's a name. All right, the next one I'm going to cover up my ED. Sound it out and then add your ending. What is it? Ready? What is it? Walked. Walked. Good. Remember, ED is 3 different sounds. D, t, ed. You've got to see which one makes sense. Next word, thumbs up. We're right here. Thumbs up when you got it. What is it? Sun. Good. Next one's got our S ending, so we can take that off, sound it out, and then add it back. What is it? Bugs. Good. Last one, thumbs up. What is it? Bike. Good. Help me sound out these words. Ready? Sh, e, p, sheep. Next one, ready? Eat, meat. Ready? Eel, heel. Free. Ready? E. Remember, he's a long sound. He's the only vowel, and he's at the end. Ready? Me. Sh, e, she. E, the. Ready? Read that first word. Give me a thumbs up. What is it? Find. What's that word? Find. Next one. Thumbs up. What is it? Her. What's that word? Her. Next one. Thumbs up. What is it? Road. Good. Road. All right, the next one, cover up your ED and read your base word. Ready? Thumbs up. What is it? Called. Would it be called? No. Cult? No. Called. Good. Next one, thumbs up. What is it? Into. Good. Next one right here. Thumbs up. Tap those sounds. What is it? Dave. Good. Dave is a name because it starts with a capital letter. All right, the next one has our ED. So figure out which one of those three makes sense. Sound out your base word and then add your ending. What's that word? Walked. Good. It has the t ending. Next one, ready? Thumbs up. What is it? Sun. Good. Next one. This has our S ending. What is it? Bugs. Good. Next one right here. Hold on. That'll go. Wait just a second. Make sure that's your B and your D have bat or donut. Think about which one it is. Bike. Good. Last one right here. What is it? Around. Good. Start back up here. Thumbs up. What is it? Mud. Good. Next one. Sight word from last week. What is it? Under. Good. Next one. What is it? Best. Good. Next one's a sight word from last week. What is it? Food. Good. Food. Next one. What is it? Water. Good. We know the sign for water. All right, next one. Ready? Sound it out. What is it? June. June. Good. Next one. These. These. That E makes the other E say his name. Two more. Thumbs up when you got this next one. What is it? Saw. Good. Last one. What is it? Grow. Good. All right, let's look at these sentences. Read that first one. Give you just a minute to read it. Listen as I read. Will she need a sheet from the tablet? Read that second sentence. Give me a thumbs up. All right, listen as I read. See the kitten in that green pine tree? All right, we've been talking about sentences all year long. A sentence is a group of words that tells a complete idea. Always starts with a capital letter and it ends most of the time with a period. Learning is important. The weather is sunny. Always, always starts with a capital letter and it ends with a period, exclamation mark, or a question mark. We've talked about 3 different kinds of sentences. We've talked about declarative. That's when I just tell you something. School is fun. That's just me telling you something. Interrogative. That's a question. Did you eat breakfast? We have a clue that it has a question mark. And exclamatory. Exclamatory has strong feeling. It is so cold. And our exclamation mark is our clue for what kind of sentence it is. All right, we've talked about singular and plural nouns, and we're talking about nouns in sentences. A noun is a person, a place, a thing, or an animal. Which one of these words is a noun in this sentence? We took the baby to the park. Baby is a noun and park is a noun. A baby is a person and the park is a place. Let's look at our sight words. Also, other, new, family, some, and there. All right, it is your turn to take your test, so open it up and have your parents read it for you. Okay? Do your best work.